If you're adding a starter set to an existing hose, it's super simple. You can first start by either removing the fitting manually, or as I like to do, cut your hose around about here, and that will give you a nice square end to start. Slide the grey nut onto the hose and place the white split ring flush with the end. You'll then need to immerse 2 centimeters of the end into hot water for about 10 seconds to soften the hose. Place the body of the connector onto a hard, flat surface and push the hose down firmly over the barbed stem, ensuring the hose and split ring are pushed all the way to the bottom. Then simply tighten the grey nut and you're good to go. Next, attach the hose connector with flow control to the other end of your hose using the same method as the hose end. You'll need to take the stem out of the connector body when pushing the hose onto it. Then pop it back in and tighten the grey nut.